Sometimes, we might go live on Instagram. After the live ends, if you want to save it automatically to the archive section, you can change one setting. Once you do, your live will be added to the archive section automatically, and it'll stay there for about 30 days. Anyway, to add your Instagram live to the archive section, here's what you need to do: open the Instagram app. After that, you'll see your profile photo down here. Click on it. When you do, you'll notice a plus button, either here or up above. Click on either one. Once you do, you'll see the live option. Tap on live, and before going live, you'll find a settings button up top. Tap on that settings button. When you do, you'll see the live option. Click on it. There, you'll find an option called Save Live to Archive. Sometimes, it's turned off, which means your live won't be saved to the archive section. If you want to save it, just turn that option on. After that, when your live ends, it'll automatically be saved to the archive section. That's how you can easily save your Instagram live to the archive section. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.